everyone, this is Anusha and I welcome you to Nokrek IT Institute. NITI Nokrek IT Institute is a unique IT training industry in Bangladesh. NITI helps hundreds of people every single month to learn new IT skills and work from home completely online from anywhere in the world. We offer online training and boot camps on web development, software development, full-stack software engineering, understanding technology for teachers and parents, web automation, Selenium with Java and Python, graphic design with freelancing, and digital marketing with freelancing. Our specialty: 100% instructor lead classes completely online from USA and Bangladesh. Make sure you understand and can apply what you learn. Make sure you are job ready even before you complete our courses. You can make your decent living completely online from anywhere in the world. Requirements: laptop with internet connection. Programming knowledge is not necessary. Email us at WeSocialYourBrand@gmail.com. SMS us at +88 304 928990 or +88 875 868699. Thank you.